HoneyBook CRM Honest Review. Watch before using. HoneyBook is a client management software designed for freelancers, creative entrepreneurs, and small businesses looking to streamline their workflow. It offers project management, invoicing, contracts, scheduling, and automation, all in one platform. The interface is modern, intuitive, and built specifically for service-based businesses like photographers, coaches, consultants, and event planners. One of its biggest strengths is automation. Automated follow-ups, reminders, and even proposals help save time and reduce manual work. The integrated payment processing ensures invoices get paid faster, and with contract templates, legally binding agreements are a few clicks away. The built-in scheduler eliminates back-and-forth emails, allowing clients to book directly. Collaboration tools make it easy to manage team projects, and the mobile app ensures you stay connected on the go. Now, the downsides. First, HoneyBook is not built for product-based businesses or enterprises. If you're running an e-commerce store or large-scale operation, it lacks inventory management and advanced reporting. The platform is also US and Canada focused, which means limited global payment options. While it integrates with tools like QuickBooks, Zapier, and Calendly, the integration list is not as extensive as competitors like Dubsado. Another limitation is customization. While it offers branded client portals, advanced users may find its design options restrictive. Also, pricing. There's no free plan, just a 7-day trial. And after that, you're locked into a subscription, which might not be ideal for those just starting. So should you use HoneyBook? If you're a solo entrepreneur or small service-based business looking for an all-in-one client management tool with automation, invoicing, and scheduling, it's a solid choice. But if you need deep customization, global reach, or inventory management, it's not the best fit. Hope this review helped. Subscribe for more.